Why do we go on field trips? Number 1. Social interaction. Students have a whole day to talk with other students and grow friendships. Parents get to be more involved in the learning by helping students work together. Number 2. Motivation. Field are special. They make us want to learn more. Number 3. Real life learning. On a field trip, I learn from what I see and do. It's the best kind of learning. Number 4. Learning to learn. Field trips help me to learn to ask questions and observe the world. That makes me a better learner. Number 5. Field trips are fun. Field trips with school friends make the best memories. So when you come with me on my field trip, make sure I spend the day with other students from my class growing friendships. Point out interesting things to me so that I will want to learn more. Help me learn from the things I see and do. Show me how to ask questions and observe the world to learn. Make sure I make memories with my friends. Because that's what field trips are all about.